I timed myself and these lashes took less than 5 minutes. That's all the time I needed. If you've ever wanted fuller lashes but didn't want to deal with messy lash glue, this kit makes the whole process so much easier. One thing I immediately noticed is how customizable the kit is. It comes with a variety of lengths ranging from 7mm all the way up to 16. You can create anything from a soft everyday look to a fuller, more dramatic lash depending on where you want to place each cluster. For my look, I only needed 3 clusters on each eye to get the fullness that I wanted. That's what really impressed me. I didn't have to completely cover my lash line to make my eyes look noticeably fuller and more lifted. This kit also includes 2 different lash styles, so you can mix and match to create something that's unique to your eye shape instead of every application looking exactly the same. The tweezers are also designed specifically for these lashes, so picking up and placing each cluster felt really controlled and precise without constantly sticking to adhesive. Once they were on, they stayed put pretty well. The adhesive felt secure throughout wear, and I think they're perfect if you're looking for lashes that can comfortably take you through a day, a special event, or even an overnight wear if that's your preference. When it was time to remove them, they peeled away surprisingly easy without leaving a sticky mess behind, and my natural lashes still felt comfortable afterward. Overall, I think the biggest highlights are how incredibly easy they are to apply and just how customizable the final look can be. Whether you want a subtle everyday lash or something with a little more volume, this kit gives you the flexibility to create both without the hassle of traditional lash glue.